I'm Michael Enebe, the director, Mikab Model College, Nagazuvete, located in Kogi State, Nigeria. I heartily welcome you to this e-learning channel. This channel is dedicated to all the senior secondary students, especially in Nigeria, to aid them in their studies, especially after their normal school hours. The channel is focused on teaching relevant topics from the national curriculum with down-to-earth simplicity, which is made possible by our young, dynamic, and experienced teachers. In this channel, we have also tried in most cases to put the note for each lesson in the description located below the video. This is to serve as a quick review of the lesson and making this very channel another classroom experience, what I tagged a better classroom alternative. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share our videos, and thank you very much and be blessed.